Good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Now we continue with the topic, spleen stomach. Here we have the sense of taste for the spleen, the blood deficiency and Chi deficiency. There is a poor sense of taste, craves sweets, and carbohydrates. Sa spleen, nourishing muscles and fat, the person is thin, small muscles, and atrophy. Yung emotion, worry. There is obsessive compulsive worry. Yung color, yellow. Likes all shades. All shades are good. Red and pinks, good. Sa climate, yung sa dampness, there is edema in the hands, feet, and eyelids. Yung sa spleen deficiency, ang tower diagram, parehas po mababa yung blood and Chi. Sa sense of taste, there is poor sense of taste, like strong flavors, crave sweet, and carbohydrates. Smaller ang muscles on arms and legs. And sa emotion, passive warrior, eats when worried. Yung color, likes pastel and bright shades. There are good red and pinks. Tapos good. Sa climate, edema in extremities and eyes. Next, our diagram sa spleen, damp, cold in spleen. Excess po yung blood, deficient yung Chi. Sa sense of taste, there is poor taste, like sweet and carbohydrates and strong flavors. Meron siyang large muscles, not necessarily strong. Sa emotion, passive warrior, tapos lazy. Yung color, dislikes mustard, brown, light beige. Yellow is good, pinks, good. Sa climate, edema in arms, legs, and face. Next, tower diagram, we have the spleen. Damp heat in the spleen. Excess po yung blood and yang, and deficient yung Chi. Sa sense of taste, dislike sweet, sticky, sweet taste in mouth, strong flavors, and pain. Sa emotion, can be either depending on yin or yang dominant, generally active, worry. Sa color, dislikes all shades, white is good. Sa climate, same as damp, cold. Next, tower diagram sa stomach, empty, dry stomach. Normal ang yang, deficient yung yin. Sa sense, like creamy, sweet taste, very well. Very particular with food. Spleen naman, meron siyang small muscles, thin atrophy. Sa emotion, active warrior, cannot eat when worried, loses weight. Sa color, like mustard, deep brown, or yellow-green, good. Next, tower diagram, yung stomach fire. Excess yung yang, deficient yung yin. Sa sense of taste, like creamy, sweet, very sensitive taste, like simple food. Sa emotion, stomach pain, worried, more when pain, dislike orange and bright yellow, deep green, white, good. Sa last tower diagram, yung sa stomach, cold stomach, excess yung yin, deficient yung yang. Sa sense of taste, sweet and cream make pain worse, poor sense of taste. Small muscles on the arms and legs. Sa emotion, constant passive warrior, never satisfied. Sa color, likes light beige and yellow, pink and red, good. Sa climate, there is edema on the hands, feet, and eyelids.